In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you'll be doing well. Let us learn idioms and phrases. Part 1. L. Meanings and use. Number 1 idiom is a bird's eye view. Meaning, overall or cursory look. Sentences. Let us have a bird's eye view of all that we have written in this paper. Just after a bird's eye view, I was able to give the passage a title. Number 2. All walks of life, meaning every field or social status. Sentences. He invited people from all walks of life to attend his party. People from all walks of life came to attend the feast. Number 3. At each other's throats, meaning in mutual or open conflict. Sentences. Each one of them wanted to get the treasure, even at each other's throats. It was the treasure that brought them at each other's throats. Number 4. At first glance, meaning in a brief look, on first consideration. Sentences. Though I met him after 20 years, yet I recognized him at first glance. At first glance, your plan seems workable. Number 5. At one's wit's end, meaning at a loss, confused. Sentences. He was at his wit's end to solve such a difficult problem. They were at their wit's end and could not solve the riddle. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.